Welcome to this video where you'll discover 12 amazing ChatGPT hacks that will supercharge your productivity and transform how you use AI daily, from basic features to advanced capabilities. Voice ChatGPT. Speak directly to ChatGPT using voice commands. How to do it? Open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the microphone icon to start talking. Use cases. Multitasking while handling other tasks. Language practice with instant feedback.
So I'm on stage right now, I'm doing a live demo, and frankly, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Can you help me calm my nerves a little bit?
Oh, you're doing a live demo right now? That's awesome. Just take a deep breath. And remember, you're the expert.
I like that suggestion. Let me try a couple of deep breaths. Can you give me feedback on my breaths? Okay, here I go.
Whoa, slow.
Temporary incognito chats. Private conversations that aren't recorded. How to do it? Click New Chat. Activate temporary chat. Use cases, confidential strategy discussions, quick brainstorming sessions, custom instructions, tailor ChatGPT's responses with personalized instructions. Use cases, adjust tone and format for digital content. Standardize project responses. Google Drive. Integration access files directly in ChatGPT. How to do it? Go to Settings. Connected apps. Connect your Google Drive account. Use cases. Easy access to scripts and reports. Enable all capabilities. Activate image creation, web browsing, and coding capabilities. How to do it? Go to Settings, Beta Features. Enable browsing, DALL-E, and advanced data analysis. Use cases. Real-time trend research. Simplified explanations. Fifth grader method. Simplify complex concepts. How to do it? Type, explain as if I'm 10 years old. Use cases, breaking down complex sales technique, making technical content accessible. Image creation with doll. Create custom images for your content. How to do it? Write detailed prompts requesting images. Use cases, customize thumbnails, images for blogs or ebooks. Image analysis. ChatGPT analyzes and interprets uploaded images. How to do it? Upload an image directly into the chat. Use cases, counting calories in meals, analyzing sketches and designs, spreadsheet analysis and creation, rapidly analyze data and create visualizations. How to do it? Upload spreadsheets and request specific analyses. Use cases, evaluating advertising campaigns, quick financial analysis, Excel formulas and coding. Quickly generate Excel formulas and small scripts. How to do it? Request detailed formulas in chat. Use cases, automating reports, practical formulas for repetitive tasks. GPT assistants. Use pre-configured GPT assistants for specific tasks. How to do it? Go to Explore GPTs. Choose or create specific assistants. Use cases, customize content creation, optimize sales strategies, projects, organize and maintain chats by projects. How to do it? Go to Projects to create or manage existing ones. Use cases, managing long-term projects, organizing multiple content streams. If you love these ChatGPT hacks and want to dive even deeper into AI-powered productivity, come join our community at the AI Atelier. It's the perfect place for entrepreneurs and creators looking to grow smarter and faster with AI. Click the link in the description and join us today. Your future self will thank you. You're now ready to maximize your use of ChatGPT. Did you find these hacks useful? Don't forget to like, comment on your favorite tip, and subscribe for more great content like this. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably love this next one right here.